fucking is drowned. Humans that live on Earth, what's up? Welcome to the kitchen. Today has been quiet, today has been productive, but slow. What's slow? Pola pola. Pole pole. Slow slow. We did get good news. Now we thought it wasn't going to happen. We thought it was going to happen. Then yesterday we found out it probably wasn't going to happen. Tonight we found out it is going to happen. William, what is it?
We gone on safari.
We're going on another safari tomorrow.
Wow.
Get that big hairy ass out with the camera. We're going to... Tomorrow morning, 5:20, we go over to Formation House to Fod AK. We get collected by a man in a van. The man in the van drives on the road, brings us to a place down the road called Nairobi National Park. Tomorrow, very important day. Little side note, I haven't sheared, let ye sawed all the footage from the safari because I want to make a visual vibes and I don't want to show you all the footage. So tomorrow I mightn't take any pictures and I might focus on video. I'll take out the Rona and I'll hang out the window. I'll do all that jazz to make a sick visual vibes. So that's it. I'll leave it at that because I still have to finish this vlog.
So in the meantime, what'd you say? Keep the faith, much love, and we'll chat to you tomorrow.
Good morning everybody, what's happening, what's going on, how's tricks? Welcome to Kenall petrol station, Nairobi, Kenya. We are going into Nairobi National Park this morning.
We were up at 4:30 and it's now 25 to 6. I'd love to see a hunt, like I would just be hungry, not hunt of any sort. Or confrontation between two elephants or something like that.
John is our driver today.
Okay, then you go.
Well guys, we're in the park. We're not in the park. Well, we are we?
We're just outside it. The gate is right there with the
we're
line.
at we're in the car park.
Car park. It's like.
Gate's cold.
Are you sure not to?
We'll go.
You should drive.
Huh?
Is there an animal there that they're looking at? It's trying to light.
Trying to light the river.
Is it a hippo, is it? Hippo.
Oh yeah, hippo. So there's a hippo like right there. Oh, it's sick. There's Nairobi City, guys. Weird, like seeing it all and then just seeing the city in the background.
How big is this park, John?
So we think we're looking at black rhinos.
Holding heads on and the jackal. 2.
Off this road, and then this car in front of us waved us up. So hopefully there's a crocodile eating a buffalo on top of a line. What do you got for us? Where's here? Oh wow! John, tell no one about this. Someone turn that GoPro off.
Lads, I didn't say aloud, but in my head I was like, wouldn't it be great if we saw a pie?
Oh.
And this is Rob. Business.
So you can see it, guys, right there. That's one of the adults. So yeah, guys, we kind of come down into the valley where they walked into, so we can see them up on the hill. They're watching the herd of zebras that are up here. Pity they're so patient.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an antelope, that's what I was pointing out. No, he's way close. Oh, he's moving towards him.
Yeah, maybe he's 10 of them. Fucking leg it.
Yeah. Oh, sick. Oh, look at that, the wildebeest running the dust. Okay, they've only moved a small bit, so we're going to move on a bit. Okay guys, we've spotted a big group of elephants, yeah, the tall ones. Giraffes. Okay, we're on the way out, guys. Our last safari done. That's pretty cool. Mattashi out in force. Thank you, John. Thank you. Very good.
Good. Cheers.
What's up, guys? It is many hours later. We're just saying goodbye to Maggie the cook because she's not here on Sunday. We're flying away early Monday, so we won't see her again.
Yeah, I'll visit your country when it comes to
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure, definitely.
Okay, so
Bring a coat though. It's cold, huh?
Yeah. She makes nice chapati. So myself and William had a little sleep.
We did. Because last night I didn't sleep.
Yeah. Because the excitement of the unknown animals was too much.
Wow.
So now we're packing at the minute, which
We're
is
packing at the minute.
shocking fucking depressing.
Next Friday I have to be at fucking work.
Uh-huh.
Work at the Continental Gym Bar. If anyone's ever in Newcastle, come in and say hi, thanks. It's run my gin of the week.
Telling Jack to hats and Jack. The last supper wedges from Maggie. Hello. This is the camera talking. It's been a while since I've seen you. What's up, guys? We didn't do a whole lot after that. Since we said goodbye to Maggie, I've just been editing and stuff. And also packing. I didn't get a vlog up tonight because I'm useless. That's it for today. Tomorrow we go to Formation House for Mass at 8:30, and it's the last day, the last full day. We leave Monday morning, so we have Mass. We'll eat with the students at lunchtime. We'll come back here, we'll watch the All-Ireland. Jesus, it's going to be awful. Probably we'll take Anthony out for a farewell dinner because the Kenya chapter is over. Why am I holding it sideways? I apologize, don't be mad at me! Okay, guys, much love, keep the faith, and I will chat to you tomorrow. Oh wow.